Welcome to this support video about how to search and group your KnowledgeSmart user data. So let's go ahead and log into the admin dashboard. And we are on the users menu. So you can filter your user data by searching on a variety of fields such as name, email, status, and any of these fields that you see here on the screen. These fields over here are of course the user data fields that you have set up under your settings menu. Now, any changes made to your data on the users page will have no impact on your test results data, so just keep that in mind. The next thing to take note of is that you are currently viewing users for all linked accounts. If you wanted to isolate users for a specific child account, you could also come and make the selection over here. So to complete a search, I could simply just come here and say I'm looking for first name Lisa, and you will see that the user count is now 1 and showing my results there. Now, the other area which I come across quite often in discussions with clients is around grouping your users. And with KnowledgeSmart, we of course have two types of groups, static groups and dynamic groups. So we'll go through the first type of group, which is static groups first. So let's use the scenario of we searched for all our users that indicated they have more than 10 years experience. And we came up with a user here at the bottom. Now let's go and create a group called years of experience, for example. And then just go back to all users. We'll just go back to our search. Now we can select to say add the results of that search to this new group called years of experience. Okay. This will make grouping your invite list a lot easier. Because say, for example, I now know this group needs to be invited to a specific assessment that I've set up. I can simply come here, and instead of searching through all my users, I can simply come and activate the group, come here, select the users under this group, and click Invite Selected Users. And these users will then automatically be added to my invite list. Now, the second type of grouping that we work with is, of course, dynamic grouping. And this is where we use certain data fields to help us dynamically build a group. So as long as users meet the requirements of the dynamic group, they will automatically be added to that group for us. So let's have a look at Revit 1 users as an example, and this is grouping users that have indicated they have not done professional certification as yet. Once again, instead of navigating through all my users and searching and so on, I can just quickly activate that group and then click the users that I want to invite to my assessment and click Invite Selected Users. So grouping does save a lot of time. So you can either manually group using static groups and the search fields, or you can use the dynamic group feature and use your data fields to then dynamically group your user list. So here I get confirmation that the user was added to my invite list. And then if I go over to my invites menu, I can see that Sam has indeed been added to my list, and I can then go ahead and complete my skills assessment invite. That then concludes this video about searching and grouping your KnowledgeSmart user data. Please feel free to reach out if you need any assistance.